Welcome to Fact Miracle, where science feels like magic. Our planet is full of wonders, but some natural phenomena still defy scientific understanding. From glowing oceans and animals that can rewrite their own DNA to storms that last for centuries, nature continues to surprise even. Today, we explore the extraordinary. These are the miracles of nature that science still can't fully explain. Imagine walking along a beach at night, and every wave glows electric blue. This stunning display is caused by tiny organisms called dinoflagellates. When disturbed, they emit light, almost like underwater fireflies. Science understands how they glow, through a chemical reaction called luciferin luciferase. But the deeper mystery remains: why did nature create this ability in the first place? Is it defense? Communication? Attraction? Something else entirely? Even today, biologists debate the true evolutionary purpose of bioluminescence. It is one of Earth's most beautiful unsolved natural miracles. Deep in the ocean lives a creature that seems to break the rules of life itself, the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. When injured, threatened, or old, it doesn't die. Instead, it reverses its aging process, returning to a younger stage of life and starting again. It's the biological equivalent of a human turning into a baby and growing up again, repeatedly. Scientists still don't fully understand how it reprograms its cells or resets its entire lifespan. Could this tiny jellyfish hold the key to anti-aging research? No one knows yet, but nature clearly revealed something extraordinary. For centuries, people have reported glowing balls of lightning floating through the air, drifting silently before disappearing with a bang. This phenomenon, known as ball lightning, is so rare and unpredictable that scientists still can't recreate it reliably in a lab. Some theories suggest vaporized silicon, plasma bubbles, or electromagnetic vortices, but no explanation fits all reported cases. People have seen ball lightning inside airplanes, inside homes, and even passing through walls without leaving a burn mark. Despite modern tools, this mysterious natural light show remains one of Earth's most stubborn unsolved puzzles. Jupiter hosts a storm so massive that it could swallow Earth whole. It is known as the Great Red Spot, and here's the astonishing part: this storm has been raging for at least 350 years. Maybe even longer. How can a storm stay alive for centuries? Why hasn't it dissipated? Why is it shrinking now after centuries of stability? Even advanced climate models can't fully explain its behavior. This is nature operating on a scale far beyond anything on Earth. Plants may seem silent, but science is discovering something incredible. They communicate. Through chemical signals, electrical impulses, and underground fungal networks, plants share warnings about danger, transfer nutrients, and send distress signals. The Wood Wide Web, a hidden network under the soil, connects entire forests. But here's the mystery: plants respond to vibrations, light patterns, and even human touch in ways we don't fully understand. Some experiments show plants detect approaching predators before they arrive. How far does plant intelligence go? Science is still catching up. Across the world, animals often behave strangely just before earthquakes. Birds fly in chaotic patterns, dogs bark anxiously, fish leap out of water, and insects swarm. For decades, scientists have tried to understand how they sense a disaster before it hits. Is it electrical signals? Infrasound? Chemical changes in groundwater? Magnetic field shifts? We still don't know. But nature seems to have given many animals a sense that humans simply don't possess: a natural early warning system. Nature is filled with wonders, some beautiful, some terrifying, all breathtaking. And despite all our technology, all our satellites, and all our scientific models, many natural miracles remain unanswered. That's the magic of our universe. The more we understand, the more mysteries appear. If today's journey amazed you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is Fact Miracle, where science feels like magic. Thank you for watching.